What's up, guys? This is your girl Chat with Kay, and I'm back with another video. I know you guys like, where have you been? Where have you been? But I had to just really kind of tell you guys what had happened to me, and also tell you about this fabulous little gadget that I got and from Walmart. And I'm gonna tell you, this thing works wonders. Well, we'll get back to that in a second. Okay, so I'm at home now. It has been one roller coaster after another roller coaster. Um, I was gone. The video that you guys just saw was one that I had previously recorded with my sister, and I just wanted to go ahead and put something up. But also, now I want to put something up that tells you what has been going on with me. Okay, so a couple of weeks ago, my furnace went out. It sparked fire, so I didn't have any air circulating through my home. So I had to, it was a lot of hurdles that I had to jump through to get my maintenance things done. So they are back in the office now. We didn't have an office manager. We didn't have a maintenance man on site that would do what he was hired to do. So now that we kind of raised a lot of sand about it, and I reached out to the lady from civil rights, because we was deserted. We didn't have anybody here. So she took actions and sent the news out here, and I was on the news. I might add that little clip in here somewhere so that you can see what I'm talking about, and to kind of help verify what I'm saying. So I'm gonna stop this for a second, and then I'm gonna come back in a minute, and I'll let you guys watch this clip that is it's on my other phone. So I'm trying to have to see if I can share it to my other phone. If not, I just put the whole thing on my video on my YouTube, and it's like a 3-minute video so you can understand. So I might upload this one that I'm recording on, and then I may put the 3-minute video of the news clip after this. So make sure you watch both so you can get the full story of what I was talking about. But in any hootie, now my AC is back on. However, because there was no air circulating in my home, I had a flea infection. And I've never had fleas in my home, ever. I've never have. I've had King in this house almost 5 years. And I've never had, this is the first time we ever had fleas in our house. And the reason why is because I keep my AC running and keep my house very cold during the summer, so that I won't have that problem. But by no air circulating in here, I came home, gnats, fleas, all kind of stuff. So I'm getting all that under control. I got to tell you another story, a horror story, that what happened to Shahori and all that. So it's just been so much going on. But I wanted to show you guys something. I'm back in my home now, and I'm washing walls and cleaning. My sister and I were at Walmart, and we saw this little gadget that it says Power Steamer Extension Reach. So you guys know that I have Addison's, and you guys know that I cannot bend down and all those different things. Now, I am a neat freak. I've been trying to keep my house completely clean, but I'm going to show you how good this was. And it's still, you guys can see, I see the dirt that's there on the baseboards, and it's all really dirty. I have wanted to show you guys how well this thing cleans. You see all that dirt right there? I'm going to show you in a second on video how well this thing's clean. So I'm just like, you know what? I got to share this with my Chatty Patty Gang Squad, because it was only like $30, okay? So that's the reason why I want to do a review. You have to, I've already put the solution in there, and then you have to, there's the little cup that you have to go, you can't go before that max line. So I've already put some stuff in there to keep, so that I can make this video won't be too long. And you have to plug it up, and when it gets hot, this little light right here is be red, but when it's hot and ready to use, it goes off. So I'm just want to show you how well this thing cleans, and I love it, love it, love it. In between on my baseboards, my house has been dusty and dirty, so I was like, And I'm thinking, wiping them down with my hand, I'm thinking, your girl thinking she doing big, keeping her house clean. And then I got this little gadget. Watch how this takes all this dirt away. Watch this. See how the other thing cleans? And it just cleans the baseboard. And I'm like, and then she takes the dirt. Break it up in. Look at that. I wanted you guys to see that. All of that. And look at there. It comes right off. Look how clean it is now. It comes right off. Even though I'm still going to clean it a little more because I still see dirt there. But because when the light comes on, you have to stop and let it heat back up. So I'm going to come back on there and finish cleaning. But I'm going to show you how well my hallway looks because I've already cleaned this. I should have did a before and after with my foyer and my door. It is completely clean. I have a dog, so I have to make sure that I keep my house clean, and then I have a weak immune system, so I have to make sure everything's clean. Now this thing was dusty as all get out, and it's clean. This vent was black and nasty. With that spray, it's all nice and clean. Don't mind the gap in there. They're gonna come and fix the thing there so it can go all the way in. But I just wanted you to see that this thing really does clean, and it was only like 30 bucks. That's all it was, $30. And I said, that's $30 well spent because it's faster for me to clean the walls and stuff with, and it also has other pieces that I really haven't used, but it has other pieces that comes with it. Another little hose that you could use if you want to clean something up, other pieces to add on it. Scrub, got a scrub brush. There's a little scrub brush in the packet. I think I can show you the little pieces there. You can use different pieces on to do different scrubs with. I'm telling you guys, if you ever want to clean your baseboards in your house real quick and easy, all you got to do is just go get this little gadget right here because it is worth it. I actually had to, when I had Shahora, she chewed up a $1,300 sofa set. So I ended up having, a sectional was given to me, and I used that to clean that sectional, and it cleaned it very, very well. So, you know me, I like to keep my house clean. So I'm really pleased with the results of that sofa. How well it cleaned it, because I used some Fabulosa in there, and it was, and I took the steamer and steam cleaned it myself. So as you can see, there's still some dirt right there. So now the light is back off, so you can use it and clean it. See how it just takes the dirt away? Get right up close to it. Look at there. It's gone. See how it's still dirty up there? Now watch this. Look at that. Voila. This little gadget right here, I love it, love it, love it. And then, okay, now you can really see. See how that's dirty? That's a good view. That is the before. Watch this. Look at that. See the difference? Clean. This thing here is well worth 30 bucks. And it's really easy because it does the work for you. Because I thought I was doing it big, keeping my house and my baseboard clean. So I'm having, look at that. Big difference. Big difference. So guys, if you looking for an easy way to clean your baseboards in your home, because if they're white like mine, and you can tell when they're dirty, this little gadget right here will help you, will change your life. And it is called a Bissel Power Steamer with extended reach. You can really clean your house with this thing, and it's really easy to do. So I just thought I'll give you guys a update of where I have been. So I'm gonna come on camera one day. Right now, when I came home, I got bit by a spider, and I got bit by fleas. So because I didn't know they were in here, and I had a real bad allergic reaction to the bites. So I'm under treatment with my skin to clear my face and stuff up. And hi, big boy. Say hi, everybody. Say hi. So yeah, my mama she's been going through it lately for the last 4 weeks. But I am good. And my big baby is right here, as you can see. He's 150 pounds now. He's a big boy. When he got fixed, he started gaining weight. So it is what it is. And I have to tell you guys that horror story as well. But other than that, guys, I'm just checking in and checking on. So stay tuned for Monday's Motivational Monday, because I have some things to let you know what I've been going through and how I have overcome a lot of my frustration. So I love you guys, and thank you for rocking with me. I greatly appreciate it. And I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye. Say bye, King. You gonna say bye? No? Are you gonna jump up in my lap? You gonna say bye? Say hi. Uh-oh. Yeah, okay. That's my big boy. Big, healthy baby. That's my big boy. All right. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.